Welcome to mobilephonetraining.co.uk, bringing life to mobile communications.
Welcome to mobilephonetraining.co.uk. We're today talking to you about the LG KF700, and this video is going to be all about how to do text messaging on the new device. So let's jump straight in. What we do is we slide the keypad up, and what you'll probably notice is on the front screen that you have an envelope key. You can tap the envelope and it will take you straight into the messaging menu. Alternatively, what you can do is press menu and then go to messaging. So right at the top with the call settings and then messaging, and it takes you into the messaging menu. Once you're in the messaging menu, to create a new message, obviously hit create a new message. Then you can choose between message and email. Now if you're looking to send a picture message at this point, still go into message, because you can turn it into a picture message from within the actual messaging setup. So this is how it looks when you're going to type a message. Obviously, because it's got a keypad, which is down here, it allows you to text fairly simple, quite easy. So tap away. Thing you'll notice as well is whilst you're typing, it comes up with like a little preview of what words you can choose from, and you can choose your words from inside there. So if I delete that and type again, so you'll see there it comes up with a list of words that you can choose from, and then you can scroll down using the scroller at the back of the handset just there. So if I typed in I don't know, let's type in good again, because you get quite a few options with that. I can scroll through by using the scroller, as you can see on the back of the handset, or I can press the star key just there, and it allows me to flick through all the different options. Now once I've flicked through so many, I don't know if you noticed there, it come up with the option to spell, and I can hit spell and it will take me into the menu to go and add the word to the T9 dictionary, so it's for future use. Other things that you'll probably pick up on is that just like the view T at the top right of the screen, you can choose to have T9 on or off. If you just tap it, when it hasn't got the green light on, obviously T9 is not on. When you tap it again, T9 is on. To change it from small caps to upper caps, you just press the hash key. So the hash key at the bottom of the keypad, press the hash key, and you'll notice that it will flick through and it will go into 1, 2, 3 mode as well for you. Now on this handset, because it doesn't come with a stylus, you're not able to do things like handwriting recognition or anything like that. So I just wanted to, highlight that to you guys straight away. If you want to add symbols, you'll see that some of the commonly used symbols are at the bottom of the screen, and literally by pressing the plus key, it will take you into the symbols menu, and then you can choose from an array of symbols. And once you've chosen your one, press OK, and then you'll see it come up on the screen. Other things to bear in mind as well is the sub menu key, which is the little option that looks like a document. If you tap that, you get options like insert, save to drafts, input method, writing language, and add to dictionary. If I choose insert, I can insert image, video, sound, symbols and templates, emotion icons, names and numbers, news slides, subject and others. The reason why we can add all these different things in here is because this will convert it into a MMS, which is a picture message, depending on which one you want. If you wanted to add a template in, just literally tap the template, which one you want, hit select, and then it will come up here. See, I am in a meeting, and there you are. Other alternative options within the sub menu are things like you can save it straight to drafts. Input method is obviously T9, ABC or 1, 2, 3 mode. Other things that you'll probably pick up on is writing language. It does support quite a few writing languages. I think it supports anywhere between 15 to 20 different writing languages, everything from Polish to German to French, of course, Turkish, Spanish also included, and Italian. And obviously the standard one's going to be English. So as you can see, there are quite a few writing languages. Jump into the sub menu again, and then obviously you've got add to dictionary straight away, and you can start adding your own words to dictionary if you're a shorthand texter. If we come out of that, whenever you choose the back arrow to come out of a text message, if you've altered it in any way, it will ask you, would you like to save to drafts? You can choose yes or no. We're going to choose no. We'll go back one step further. So now you have inbox. Mailbox is where your emails get delivered to. and we'll show you in another video how to set up email on this device. You've got drafts, you've got outbox, of course, sent items. My folders is where you can create different folders for different type of text messages, business or personal, or ones I love and ones to keep, and so forth. When it comes to templates, if you jump into templates, you've got some text templates that you can choose from. In fact, you've got probably 9 or 10 inside here. It's quite a clever one there. Please video call me if you're being cheap. So it's quite cool. So you can scroll through all these different types of text templates, but you can press the sub menu key, which is a document key, and press add new, and you can add your own text template to the list. Alternatively, you can create things like your own MMS templates and stuff like that, but it's got some already stored in here, which is quite cool, and we'll go through those in more detail in the MMS tutorial. Things like emotion icons, these are the things like the smiley faces and everything else. You can also insert those into your text messages, but you can also add your own ones as well, because I know the texting community is always developing some new ones. In terms of settings, if you ever have to go into things like setting up your message center number and stuff like that, jump into settings, then go to text message. Then inside here you can got text message center number. It's the center number there for O2. If you do need your text messaging center number, go onto mobilephonetraining.co.uk, and from the home page select your network, and then you'll be able to choose the FAQ section to have a look at what your message center number is. Delivery reports, you can choose to have that on or off, so once you've sent the text message it will tell you whether it's been delivered. The validity period, always leave it on maximum, otherwise it will start to delete. Message types, let's go back. Message types. In message types, actually what you can do is choose different types of message types. Always make sure that's on text, for obvious reasons. Character encoding, leave it on auto, because it will pick up what encoding is the right one for your text messages that are coming through to you. This one's an interesting one. Send long text as. Inside here you can choose to send long text messages, anything over 160 characters, as a multiple SMS or MMS. Now, just to double check, when you first get your handset, it's probably worth checking that to make sure that not by default it's been set up as MMS. You want it to be sent as text messaging, so just double check that. And that's pretty much it for text messaging. Text messaging on this handset is really easy, very, very simple, and we love using it for text messaging. People that are big texting fans will love it because it's got a very good and very well spaced keypad at the bottom, and that's pretty much it. So that's text messaging brought to life for you by mobilephonetraining.co.uk. Thank you.